Welcome to our tour of a standard room in the Hilton in Gatwick Airport's South Terminal. The room is spacious and bright and neutrally decorated. There's a double bed in the room, along with a small seat, a stool and a coffee table. The large desk is useful if you need to work, with power outlets at the desk. Plug sockets and a USB port can be found on both sides of the bed. A good-sized wardrobe has decent hanging space, along with an iron and ironing board, a mini fridge and a safe. A kettle with tea and coffee are also provided. The bathroom is also a good size and has been modernised. Hand wash and body lotion are provided by the sink. The sink area is large, as is the shower, where you will find shower gel, shampoo and conditioner provided. If you're an aviation enthusiast, you'll see the flight path from here, and they will land in past our window during our stay. Overall, it's a nice hotel with a comfortable bed and friendly staff. There are several restaurants and bars in the hotel, and it gives easy access to the airport. If you found our video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for free. Thanks for watching.